Conditions right now, I got to tell you, are awesome. Our storm system has cleared the area and we're going to be in fine shape here locally across the 5 News viewing area the rest of this evening. Now that same storm system, it's doing a number to our friends in central Arkansas, 4 to 5. At times I've seen 6 tornado warnings, seeing some damage being reported there across parts of central Arkansas. We'll keep you posted as what we learn over the next several hours. Here's our storm system, low pressure pulling off towards the east, northeast, cold front swinging through. Winds are breezy out there, but dry air is funneling in. And that's some good news. Some of us picked up a decent amount of rain. Now, these are airport measurement sites. These are the numbers that go into the almanac for the day. 48-hour totals in Fort Smith, a little more than about an inch. Fayetteville at Drake Field, more than 4 inches of rain. Poto, boy, just really got left out. Less than a ½ inch, almost 4 in Rogers, a little more than 4 at XNA. Not everyone lives at the airport, so let's take a look at rainfall estimates. You can see where the broad swath of heaviest rain was extending from south central Oklahoma into northwest Arkansas. Those brighter reds, those purples, those blues there, 4 to upwards of 8 inches of rain. Not a lot in eastern portions of the River Valley. If you're looking for a little bit more rain, there's a chance you're going to get some the second half of the upcoming work week. Tomorrow morning, we'll start off with mostly cloudy skies. 48 degrees northwest Arkansas. You're going to want those light jackets out the front door. Sunshine, though, warms us up into the mid-60s. Eventually, we're going to warm ourselves into the mid to upper 70s tomorrow afternoon. Wouldn't be surprised if the River Valley tops out in the 80s tomorrow. 51 out that front door, though. It's going to be a cool start to the day. Sunshine climbs us up to about 68 for lunchtime. Feeling good out there overall. Highs shake out like this, mid to upper 70s across northwest Arkansas. We get into the River Valley. It's going to be a nice mild day. Winds will shift back out of the south by the afternoon. That takes us into the low 80s out there. Here's Futurecast. We're going to be dry tomorrow, dry Tuesday. We'll look for a chance of rain returning as early as Wednesday morning, but I think better odds are probably going to be late morning, early afternoon. Pretty good signal of a quick moving system that brings some chances of rain then. We'll also see additional chances on Thursday and potentially on Friday as well. It's spring, right? And of course, it's a pretty active weather pattern. Here's your 7-day forecast. 48 degrees overnight tonight. Clouds will break again as that low pressure pulls away by tomorrow afternoon. So we'll call it partly cloudy, but I think the second half of the day is going to have a decent amount of sunshine. 80s for northwest Arkansas on Tuesday. It's going to feel mild out there. We'll enjoy the next couple of days while we can. You notice that active pattern returns storm and rain chances Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Could those bring severe weather chances? Of course, just given the time of the year it is. Details scarce at this point, but we'll watch it closely just to be on the safe side. Weekend, low rain chances. I hope we can take those away for you right now. Got to keep them based off what the data is suggesting. Temperatures will largely be in the 70s with the exception of Tuesday in northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. Our 7-day forecast shakes out like this. Good amount of sunshine by tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be great out there. About a 30-degree warm-up between sunrise and the middle of the afternoon. It's going to feel great by late tomorrow afternoon. 86 on Tuesday. That gets a little bit warm for a lot of us. And then with that next system coming in, we'll be dropping back into the 70s. And we'll likely stay there through the upcoming weekend. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday days will at least need the rain gear. We'll keep you posted on that severe weather potential as we get closer and those details become more clear.